it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be following a Superraedizzle anyone can draw this tutorial. I've already followed a Mark Curley tutorial, so I decided I wanted to try another artist that I like to watch on YouTube. Okay, so she's actually drawing on toned paper, like brown toned paper, and my paper is very much white, so I'll do what she's doing, which is filling out the edge of the gem with white, but I don't know if that's necessary because I have white paper, but I'm just gonna roll with it. I'm just gonna follow what she said. She's using a tortillon or a blending stump, and I have one, but I'm too lazy to go and get it, so I'm just gonna use my finger. You know, I really should be using a sharper pencil. She fills it in with the color, and then she goes over it with the white Prismacolor pencil. Oh, I guess I shouldn't be pressing so hard because I don't want to burnish it on accident. She wants us to do the same thing by filling it in with the darker color, or the mid-tone color, and avoid this bottom corner right here, just so it's more of a highlight. The problem that I'm having is the fact that I didn't make the shadow super dark. I wonder if she's probably gonna go over that like in a minute, but I can't take it. I need to shade a little more over here because this is not turning out the way I like. Are we gonna blend it out again, Ray?
And this brings us to step number 7, final blend,
yeah.
Reinforcing all the shades.
Oh, she's using the tortillon on the paper, like on the colored pencil, so I don't know. I've never actually done that before. Interesting tip, Ray. Interesting.
And with this step, you're going to want to add more blacks, more whites, and just amp things up, you know?
Okay. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in to this white area that she said not to touch. I'm gonna touch it and just blend that up. Darken it too. Like, just go all out and add all sorts of different values. Because that's what I've learned. Like, she just said it, but I've learned this through personal experience. Like, some of my old drawings, like if I look back at my older sketchbooks, a lot of them don't have very many values, so it's basically just like a flat picture. And if you go heavy on most of the shading and highlights of your drawing, it tends to look a lot better. So sharpen a black colored pencil. Do I actually have one? Oh, I do. It's this small stub. Oh, and it's already sharpened.
Sketching out the area where I think the shadow will go.
This eraser really works well. Like, it's supposed to just erase Prismacolors, but it erases everything. Getting a little crosshatch action going on down here, it looks like.
And this brings us to our last step.
Add paint.
Make the highlight pop with paint.
Huh. Do I have any paint readily available? Oh, I do. Do I have a paintbrush is what I really should be asking. I'm honestly surprised I have all this stuff just like on hand because I'm usually so unprepared. So she adds a little here and she adds a little here, although I don't really need to do that there. Oh, I messed up. Okay, so she doesn't like leave this big white area. She just kind of leaves like hardly an edge. Like there's barely any white showing at all, and I did not do that. Let me close this paint lid and set that to the side. Set this to the side. Hopefully, I really don't want to get white paint on this. I've done it before and it just does not come out. My paintbrush is way too big for what she's doing. That's okay. Just add a little bit of white paint down here. And does she add it anywhere else? I think she adds a little bit right here. I really just need to get a smaller brush, but I don't have one, so. Wow! That went by faster than I thought it did. So I just finished following the Superraedizzle tutorial. Anyone can draw these easy gems. I will link the video that I followed in the description down below if you want to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any other videos like this one, hit the notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video, comment down below your thoughts, questions, concerns, comments, anything. Yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye!